In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Word spell check, complete with our full 2025 guide. This is a handy feature if you're drafting documents in multiple languages and need to ensure that your spelling is accurate for each one. Let's jump in and take a closer look at the steps to customize your spell check language in Microsoft Word. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word. Once you have your document ready, the key next step is to decide which text you want to apply the language change to. If it's the entire document, a quick shortcut is to press Ctrl+A, which will select all the text for you, saving time and ensuring you've got everything ready for the next step. Next, move your attention to the top menu of Microsoft Word and find the Review tab. This tab is where many of Microsoft's proofing features reside, including our focus for today, the language settings. Click on the Review tab to proceed. Once you're in the Review section, look for the Language button. Clicking on this will present you with several options relative to language settings. What we're interested in is the menu item called Set Proofing Language. Select this option to open a new window specifying various language choices. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll find a list of languages. You now have the opportunity to choose a language you want for spell checking, whether it's English, US, English, UK, Spanish, or any other supported language. The choice is entirely yours. This can be particularly useful if you're working on a document that requires multiple languages or if you're switching between different regional versions of a language. Now, there's an optional step you can consider in this window. If you look closely, there's a checkbox that says do not check spelling or grammar. Checking this box disables the spell check feature for your selected text. This might come in handy if you're quoting text verbatim from a language that Microsoft Word doesn't fully support, or if you simply want to focus on content without interruption from spell check alerts. Finally, to ensure all your changes take effect, click OK. This confirms your new language settings, and from this point forward, spell check will operate according to the language you've just chosen. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've effectively managed to customize your spelling check language in Microsoft Word. This customization can vastly improve the accuracy of your document creation process, especially when dealing with multi-language documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.